Encountering printer error 1260 on Windows 11. Here are 3 quick fixes to help you get your printer back up and running smoothly. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. On the right-hand side, click on Firewall and Network Protection. In the Firewall and Network Protection window, simply click on the network type beside which you will notice Active. Now, scroll down through the Settings window. Then, toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall 2 off. Close Settings window. Now, try to print something and check if this works. Press Windows key +R to open Run window. To run the Printer Diagnostics, type or copy-paste this run command and hit Enter. msdt.exe/id printer diagnostic. Once the printer troubleshooter window appears, click on Advanced. Make sure that the Apply Repairs Automatically option is checked. Now, click on Apply this fix to apply the fix. Finally, click on the Close the Troubleshooter option to complete the troubleshooting process. Reboot your computer. Search for the Edit Group Policy. A simple click on the Edit Group Policy in the search results. Then you need to go here, User Configuration Administrative Templates Control Panel, Printers. Now on the right-hand side, double-click on Point and Print Restrictions. In Point and Print Restrictions window, set the policy to Disabled. To save the settings, apply, and then on OK. Once done, close the Local Group Policy Editor window. Reboot your device. After rebooting your computer, the printing device will work smoothly. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.